In this video tutorial, you are going to see about Python string. String. A string is a collection of characters. See here, demo equal to open quotes Python course close the quotes. The demo is a string variable that hold your string value. Slicing and indexing. How to access each character in a string? In that situation, we use a slicing or indexing. In a string, all characters are indexed with a specific number that begin with 0. In the string, T is indexed with 0, Y is indexed with 1, T is indexed with 3, and so on. When you want to print Y from the string, then print of demo open square bracket. Here Y is indexed with 1, so 1 close the square bracket. Now run the file to see the output as Y. If you want to print the last character from the string and you don't know the last index, then how you are going to print that? In Python, you can access the character in opposite direction by indexing minus value. Like -1 is indicate the last character in the string and -2 indicate the second last character in the string, and so on. Print of demo of -1. It's print E, the last character in the course. In the same way, if you want to print some set of character from the Python course string, then you can use a slicing. Print of demo open square bracket 0:6. Now run the file and see the output. It print Python. If you want to print course from the string, then print of demo of 7 colon and leave it and close the bracket. 7 is the starting index of a course, and in the second position we don't mention any value. In that situation, Python was allowed to print up to the very last character in the string. So we got the output as course. Now if you want to print the whole string by slicing it, it is also possible in Python by leaving both the start index and the stop index. Print of demo of colon. Now run the file. It print the whole string Python course. If you leave the start index, then it's going to start print from the very first index to the very last index, because we also leave the stop index. String operation. String concatenation. String 1 is equal to hello. String 2 is equal to Python. Print of string 1 plus open quotes and leave the space, then close the quotes, plus string 2. Now run the file. It print hello space Python. And if you want to print your string multiple times, then you can use a star operator. You can print like this. Print of string 1 star 3. It print the hello string for 3 times. You can also check if the string contains a specific letter or a word by using a membership operator. Print of open quotes Python close the quotes in demo. This demo contains Python course. Here we are going to see if there is a Python string in the demo or not. Yeah, it's here. So when we run this file, it will print true. In Python, string is an object. Everything in Python is an object for a particular class. We are going to call some method using string object. Print of demo dot split of quotes with one space. When you run this file, you get a list that contains Python and course. This split method split the string according to the separator and stores the value in a list. Here the separator is a space. So it print like this. You can convert all the character in the string to the uppercase by using a uppercase method. Print of demo dot upper of. Now save the program and run the file. You get the output Python course in the uppercase. String format. String 1 is a hello world. String 2 is Kirtana. D equal to F open quotes open curly brace. Inside the brace, you have to write a variable which hold that value you need here. I need a hello world. So string 1 close the brace. Then continue the word that you want I am. Now open the brace string 2. Now run the file. You see the output as hello world. I'm Kirtana. This is how the string format works. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm Kirtana. If you want to see more video like this, then subscribe my channel and click the like button that encourage me.